happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today I got a little something different for you guys. I'm going to be upgrading the bulb inside of a really old flashlight. This flashlight is an ever-ready halogen. I'm going to be upgrading the actual bulb for the flashlight. These are 3-watt halogen bulbs. I wanted to try replacing it with some 3-watt LED bulbs and see how they actually look. Just wondering if you should upgrade any of the older flashlights to LED. If it is worth it, why not? I figure I'd take a shot. I took the old halogen 3-watt bulb out. Right now I'm going to be opening up this flashlight and installing one of these 3-watt LED bulbs. So let's jump right into it, shall we? Yeah, this is a really old flashlight and it takes D batteries. Yeah, but what we're going to be doing is unscrewing this top right here. Okay, here's your little cover. Here is the lamp. Use E95 alkaline energizer batteries or equivalent. So that's for the batteries. I have Duracell in there, so obviously, following directions with that. Use only HPR 52 lamp, which is the model number of the actual bulb, and this is the tilt retainer. So if you want to give it like a little bit of a tilt, you could do that. But yeah, this is basically to hold the bulb in place. So let's open one of these bulbs up and throw them in right now. As you can see, there's the LED right there, but this is what the overall bulb looks like. This is the model. So now we're going to take our bulb, seat it in there, throw this, what they call the tilt retainer, right on top. Push this in so it snaps in. Okay, so now that's seated. Now this is going to go back in here, like so. Try to get past the threads. Now let's screw this back on and try the light out. Yeah, as you can see right here, I mean, listen, it's not super bright, but I'd rather have this than nothing when it comes to a power outage or if there's no lights on in the house. Doesn't really have the best coverage, but hey, you know what? I just wanted to see for myself, and I don't know, guys. I mean, you let me know what you think. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac. As always, I'll see you next time.